update on the last week head and shoulders pattern that we traded, and currently it already hit the ideal take profit, the first one, and I'm waiting for the second. This is a successful trade on the pattern of head and shoulders together with the butterfly and the bat pattern. Now for the current week, for this August 31, September 4, 31 to 4, I have here Euro CAD. As we could see all here, they have a channel going down and it breaks. And what I like for this one, it's because it's divergent. So to trade on this pattern, we'll have to wait to go and retrace on this area. So if it does, then again we will have our trade. Of course, we will be doing the 5 confirmations that I have prepared for you. You could watch that on my YouTube channel. Second one is the Euro JPY, which is on, if you could watch on the 4 hours time frame, actually he is forming on the right shoulder. Nagkataon, ginawa niyang double tapping, and currently is creating another small head and shoulders. So again, we will wait for the retracement, and our required retracement must go up to 6180. That. Then before we will make a trade. The other one is GBP CAD. This is same as Euro CAD. It has a channel going down and it breaks. Now we will wait for a retracement again, 2618. Then we will take a trade. And the fourth one is the NZD CAD. Kung papansin natin, medyo ang Canada, we will have a lot of trades, a lot of on our watch list on the Canada pair. So here, same, ganon pa rin ang itsura. We have a channel going down, it breaks, and we will wait to return on 6180. And again, this is another divergent, so which is one of our favorite. So that's it. That's our watch list for our trade next week, and hopefully the market is on our side. So until hindi po, paklinawin ko lang, until hindi mag-retrace on our desired location, we will not take the trade. Yan lang po. Maraming salamat.